Welcome to Practice Easy English. Super useful adjective words with synonyms in English. Able, capable. Are you able to swim? Yes, I am capable of swimming. Absolute, complete. Was there absolute silence in the room? Yes, there was complete silence in the room. Accurate, precise, correct. Is the answer accurate? Yes, the answer is precise. Amazing, astonishing. Was the view amazing? Yes, the view was astonishing. Actual, real. Is this the actual event? Yes, this is the real event. Adequate, sufficient, enough. Do we have adequate food? Yes, we have enough food. Advanced, developed. Is the technology advanced? Yes, the technology is developed. Aggressive, hostile. Was his tone aggressive? Yes, his tone was hostile. Alive, living. Do plants need water to stay alive? Yes, plants need water to stay living. Alone, lonely. Do you like being alone at night? No, I don't like being lonely at night. Alternative, different, other. Did our alternative plan work? Yes, our other plan worked. Annual. Yearly. Do we have our annual family reunion? Yes, we have our yearly family reunion. Apparent. Obvious. Was his frustration apparent? Yes, his frustration was obvious. Appropriate. Suitable. Is wearing casual clothes appropriate? Yes, wearing casual clothes is suitable. Artistic. Creative. Are her paintings artistic? Yes, her paintings are creative. Asleep. Sleeping. Is the baby asleep? Yes, the baby is sleeping. Attractive. Appealing. Is this dress attractive? Yes, this dress is appealing. Observant. Attentive. Is a good student observant in class? Yes, a good student is attentive in class. Accessible. Available. Is he accessible to meet with us? Yes, he is available to meet with us. Awful. Terrible. Was the weather awful? Yes, the weather was terrible. Awesome. Fantastic. Were the fireworks awesome? Yes, the fireworks were fantastic. Disagreeable. Unpleasant. Was the smell disagreeable? Yes, the smell was unpleasant. Basic. Fundamental. Is learning the alphabet basic? Yes, learning the alphabet is fundamental. Pretty. Beautiful. Was the sunset pretty? Yes, the sunset was beautiful. Big. Large. Is the elephant big? Yes, the elephant is large. Brief. Short. Will you give a brief summary? Yes, I will give a short summary. Brilliant. Bright, clever, intelligent. Is he a brilliant student? Yes, he is a bright student. Broad. Wide. Is the river broad? Yes, the river is wide. Busy. Occupied. Are you busy right now? Yes, I am occupied right now. Careful. Cautious. Should I be careful crossing the street? Yes, you should be cautious crossing the street. Negligent. Careless. Is she negligent? Yes, she is very careless. Cozy. Comfortable. Was the cabin cozy? Yes, the cabin was comfortable. Creative. Imaginative. Do children have creative minds? Yes, children have imaginative minds. Curious. Inquisitive. Did the cat look curious? Yes, the cat looked inquisitive. Delightful. Charming. Was the garden delightful? Yes, the garden was charming.